Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you very much for joining me today. In today's video I will be unboxing Papercraft Society box number 24. This has been designed by the incredibly talented Sam Calcott of Made to Surprise / Mixed Up Craft. Now this is, for anyone who doesn't know, a subscription box that you are able to get via Craftstash. I actually signed up to these from day one, so I have all 24 in the series, and there is a playlist on my channel just called Papercraft Society Unboxings, and you'll be able to see every single one in there. I do pay for these with my own money, they're not sent to me or anything for free, so you always get a really honest opinion of each box, shall we say. So let's have a look and see what's in this one. Now this is the first Christmas box from Papercraft Society this year. It's the first Christmas box Sam has done, which is quite exciting, and I've not watched anything for the unboxings for these because I know I always love Sam's boxes, so I just wait for them to arrive and get really excited. So this kind of reminds me of a Gingerbread House because of the colour and the patterns on top, and then look, we even have little jelly teddies. So cute. I love the gingerbread men, and then we've got the candy canes, so that's really exciting. Now instantly the first thing that is different on this box to other boxes is normally this closure here has a hook and loop round circle, and this one hasn't got it. So that's rather interesting change. Let's open the box up and see what's inside. So we have a pink top with lots of really cute gingerbread men and the candy canes and the hard-boiled sweets, super cute. So it says in the lid, make pop-up cards, decorations, gift boxes and more. This box has it all. Enjoy. And it's signed off by Sam. That's exciting. I do love a pop-up card. And decorations. I am intrigued. Let's have a look. So we have a very stripy, Christmassy, kind of candy cane-ish wallet, and then we have lime green tissue containing our extra goodies, and in the bottom of the box is a voucher for 15% off Made to Surprise products at Craftstash. So I'll leave that in the bottom of the box. Let's start, as always, with this wallet. Super excited. So, oh, look at that. Love the green, love the candy canes. Really excited to see what's inside. Christmas crafting is the best crafting. I totally agree with that. Christmas is my favourite time to craft for. Let's see, we have lots of fun dies. We have gingerbread people in various different sizes. We've got a candy cane. We have a door. Wow, look at all these. We've got like a North Pole. We've got windows, trees. Wow, look at all those. There's a little pretzel there. I wonder if any of these could like be turned into a Tunnocks tea cake type treat, because that's what Sam's really known for. She loves them. So, oh, that's quite round. If you didn't have that bit and you just use that, I wonder if you could like concoct like a Tunnocks tea cake. That would be quite fun to do. I love this. I think that's a really nice die set. I don't have any gingerbread people dies, so this is a really nice set to have. I'm really excited by that. Alright, the next section says sugar and spice and all things nice. This box is certainly good enough to eat. Fab. Oh, look, we've got a gorgeous candy cane embossing folder. How cute is that? I don't have any candy cane embossing folders in my stash, so I am happy with that. And let's see what's in here. So it's craft card with sentiments printed on them. So let's have a good look. We have Happy Holidays, Have a Cup of Cheer, Holly Jolly, Baked with Love, Merry Christmas, Recipe for a Merry Christmas, A Dash of Joy mixed with a touch of peace, add a pinch of magic and stir with hope. That's really nice. I like that. So we have one, and then I have 3 pieces of blank craft card. Then I have this pretty, 2 of these, a pretty DSP with candy canes and the pinwheel. That's pretty. 2, look at this, I like this one. It's pink background, candy canes, gingerbread men and like the candy hardball sweets. Super cute. I have 2 of that gorgeous stripy one from the wallet. Really like that. That's really festive. I love it. And then look at this. I love that one. That's the inside of the wallet, and isn't it gorgeous? Really like that. So that was in the second section. And lastly, it says, the sweetest moments of the season are the ones we share. Isn't that lovely? And then the stamp set. So we have Home Sweet Home, From Our Home to Yours, 'Tis the Season. We have a lot of sentiments here. Thank you for being so sweet. First Christmas, that's always quite useful to have, because you could use that for babies or first Christmas in your new home. Babies, obviously, to go with first Christmas. You got first Christmas together. That is a really clever way to do that. Have the sweetest Christmas. We have all the sweeties. We have the cup. That's really lovely. Look at all these little sweets as well. And the whipped cream and the lights. That is super cute. Really cute, like that. So that was everything in the wallet. Let's explore the green tissue paper next. Okay, unfold this. So I have pom-pom trim in white. That's really nice. I don't have a lot of pom-pom trim, so that's really nice to have. There is a cookie cutter. I've not made gingerbread men or Christmas cookies. However, Philippa is getting a little bit older now, so that would be fun to do with her. And I'm also going to look through the inspiration book, because I'm sure there will be things to do with this in there. So that's quite nice. It's very sharp though on the bottom, so I won't be letting Philippa hold that too closely. Look how cute these are. Just get a couple out. Look at these. I love those. They are the cutest little candy canes. Oh my word, love them. This one's flat on the back and then round. Okay, so they are slightly flat on the back to help you stick them down. How adorable are they? I have to admit, I am loving those. And then we have, let's have a look. I'm going to say this is some kind of template for an exploding box or a pop-up box. Looking at the shapes, these are all plastic. So I think this is a template, but I will look in the inspiration book in a second and just confirm. But that's kind of what I'm thinking this is. I have some more papers. let's have a look. This is the... So this is a really big version of the patterned paper we had in the wallet. It's kind of embossed on the background. Can you see that? There's like white circles from the little drops here. That is quite large. I think a 3 maybe. Interesting. I do like this one though. I really like the design and the pattern, so it's nice to have extra for that. I'll have a look in the inspiration book and just see if it says if there's like a specific use for it. But yeah, I'm happy. I did like that design, so it's nice to have extra. Let's find the booklet. So this is the inspiration booklet. So in here will be a message from Sam. Then there will be obviously everything you're supposed to have, so you can check it off and make sure you have got everything. And then there is pages upon pages of inspiration in here, which is really nice. So let's have a look. Oh, there we go. Coloured cardstock and pattern paper. As an extra treat, there's an A3 piece of wrapping paper too. Oh, so that's actually designed to be wrapping paper. I love that. I will save that for Christmas and use that on Philippa's things, I think. And let's have a look. E is those plastic things. So yeah, 4-piece gingerbread house template. So you can make your gingerbread house makes. And there is a step-by-step guide on page 9 and 21. And the cookie cutter is for making decorations at home, and you can use salt dough as well. That's actually a really good idea. Maybe I'll get some of that special dough, and then me and Philippa can do some Christmas decoration making. That'd be a nice present for the grannies, wouldn't it? A little tree decoration from Philippa. I like that. That's really nice. Look how cute. That would be fun to make. And then loads of inspiration from different people, including Sam. So that's really handy. We have coordinating cardstock. Really good quality. So this hot pink is amazing. Love that. So we have hot pink. We do have red. We have the lime green. Look how nice that goes. Look, there you go. Oh, lush. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we have like the gingerbread colour. And there's more. There's an extra little envelope down here of glitter card. Look at this. It's a real pale pink. You get 2. Isn't that gorgeous? Feels like non-shed. Always handy. So that is a nice little extra touch as well. So that is everything that was in the Papercraft Society box from Made to Surprise. I, for one, am actually really happy with this. I love these little candy canes. For me, that's probably the best bit, because I'm really sad and I'm really easily pleased, but I just think they are adorable. I really like everything about this box. Let me know in comments which bit is your favourite. Is there a particular element that stands out to you? What do you think of this box? I can't wait to get crafting with this box. It's going to be so fun to use. I will come back and do a crafting with the Papercraft Society box for this video. However, I appreciate that I've only just put up the previous unboxing video because the last box was so delayed, and this one has come out on time and been delivered super quick. So I will probably do the other boxes video for crafting with before I do this one, but I will do one for each. I love this box. I am so happy. I can't wait to start using it. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you've enjoyed seeing what's in this box. I hope you've enjoyed the unboxing, and I look forward to reading your comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button. Give the video a big thumbs up if you've liked it, and please remember to ring the bell for notifications every time I upload a video. I really hope everybody is safe and well. I, for one, am really sad to see the end of summer. However, the colder weather means lots of hot chocolate. So there's always a bright side to everything. Thank you again so much for watching today. I will be back soon with more videos. So until next time, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.